So you guys are probably wondering what all these parts are doing on my table. Well, I was trying to print a baby Groot using the Eris, and turns out that since it's summertime, the settings don't work, and I got a lot of layer shifting. So that's one of the problems with most of the cheaper 3D printers that you can get on the market. They come with horrible cooling, and then you have to figure out ways to get around that by either installing more fans, improving the duct system. But basically, I wanted to say that the Eris is probably one of the worst ones when it comes to cooling, especially when you compare it to the let's say the Alphawise or the Tevo Michelangelo. I think the Michelangelo was the one that had the best cooling so far. But anyway, I digress. I'm going to try to find ways to fix this, and hopefully we'll get a good print. And if I manage to do so, I will post a video on how I fix the problem.